If YES is yes, EYES is ES.
Yo, welcome back to another banger. Anyway guys, today day 5 of the challenge, super buzzing, can't wait for it to over. I'm like super tired, but anyway, I'm keep going. My passion and drive for this is like super crazy. However, today is gonna be tricky questions. So we have some questions run up for the guys them, so they have nowhere to run to. So when I put the camera up on them, they can't run, so they have to answer. Yeah, I know for you the viewers who's watching, it's gonna be super easy. However, for these guys, is on the spot, so they have to answer me. Yeah, so anyway guys, not long talking. Yeah, come on, check it out, watch it, have a laugh and enjoy. Remember, drop a comment, like as well. Go over to Dan's page, check him out as well and see what he's doing. Yeah, anyway, come on, first question for them, let's go.
Oh, it's a mic boom. Oh, Jesus.
State your name or your cap badge.
State my name, I'm Bombardier Dyson and I'm Royal Regiment of Artillery.
Damon, I run the reprographics facility here in the Army Training Centre in Purbright.
Corporal Ali, I'm from the Royal Logistic Corps, probably the best kept badge in the Army, of course.
Donald, I am a Service Welfare Officer.
Eric Dosser, 1 Yorks.
Bombardier Tomlinson, Royal Artillery.
Jason, RHA.
Kerry.
Go away, go on.
My name's Wesley Ryan, I'm from Royal Signals.
Kyle, and the Royal Regiment of Artillery.
What goes into the fridge hot and comes out hot?
Any help, guys? Phone a friend. What goes in the fridge hot and comes out hot?
What's in the back of the fridge?
I reckon that's a lie. I don't think there's an answer to that one.
No! God, please, no!
What goes in the fish hot comes out hot? You're catching me there, man.
It goes into a fridge hot and comes out hot. Oh God, I've never heard that one before.
Take a guess, come on.
This face.
Yeah, boy.
That hot, well, you shouldn't put anything in the fridge hot because the bacteria will multiply.
Bro, you can't just pass, mate. Come on now.
What goes in hot comes out hot? In the fridge.
In the fridge.
Let me Google that real. A pepper.
Go on, lad.
There is.
Electric.
Okay, so I'm gonna say electric.
No.
Okay, right, well. That was Lee. Lee George told me that. Oh. Lee George shouted electric. He was my phone a friend.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You lost me. What goes into the fridge hot? Well, I personally don't put anything in the fridge hot.
It's a simple thing, isn't it?
Simple thing, mate.
Am I going to feel like an idiot if I don't get it?
I didn't sign up for this, okay.
Just guess something.
Hot drink.
What goes in the fridge hot and comes out hot? Is that your lemon chicken that you made the other day?
What goes into the fridge hot and comes out hot?
Yeah.
Hot sauce.
A pepper.
I'm trying to think, man. It's chili.
Hot sauce. Is it?
That's it.
Hey!
That's it, mate.
That's it.
So yeah, thinking about this, 1 second. Chili.
You're like the bitch.
Chili. Yeah.
Yeah, I was right! Yeah.
Okay.
Now?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you on it now?
Let's get the cobwebs out now.
What comes down but never goes up?
What comes down but never goes up?
Age.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
But never goes up. What comes down never goes up? Gravity.
No, you got me with that one as well.
I was going to say ladder, but that clearly goes up as well, doesn't it? What comes down never goes up. I don't know. You want me to guess what comes down? Comes down.
Anything, come on.
Spider.
Come on, mate. Stop looking for help. No one's gonna help you.
Rain.
Oh, nice one. It's a good one.
I thought that all by myself.
Time?
You just said it.
Shower?
Water.
Water? Okay.
What comes down but never goes back up? Well, quite often it's rain.
Rain.
4, 3,
Water.
2, 1. Okay, good one.
I'm pretty slow at this, man. Rain. I'll probably say rain.
Goes down, but never comes back up. A waterfall.
Rain.
Oh, you know this one, eh?
Nah,
Next one.
it's just quick things, isn't it? You go.
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
It's 24. I'm pretty sure it's 24. Is it 23? It's 20 something.
26. Plus 1 is 27. 27. You didn't let me finish. How many is there? Is it 25?
Yeah, boy.
As if I don't know. It's 28, isn't it?
Maybe.
Hey, come on, you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2.
22. 23.
How many letters in the alphabet? In the alphabet, do you want me to say the alphabet or an A?
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
26.
26.
26, unless anyone is referring to another alphabet.
I say 26, man.
Oh, Siri, go on.
I'm gonna find out.
I got 10 seconds.
How many letters in the alphabet? 26.
Yeah, 28. It's 28, isn't it? If it's not 28, it's 26.
And don't stop count, darling. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
26.
26. Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
A pound of cotton. Cotton. Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone? I'm changing my answer. I'll stick with cotton now. Those are funny reasons because you're looking at me a bit dodgy.
I'm going to say cotton. Cotton? What? Stone?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Pound of stone.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Pound of cotton. No, pound of cotton. Because pound of cotton would be a lot more for it to equate into a pound, whereas pound of stone would. Yeah, pound of cotton. Yes, no?
None's heavier, they're the same weight.
They're both a pound, so.
Well, if they're both weighed to exactly a pound, they would be exactly the same.
Neither, because they both weigh a pound.
They're both a pound.
I'll stick with cotton.
So you telling me a pound of cotton is heavier than a pound of stone?
Okay, not to look ridiculous, I'll go for stone.
It's the same.
Wrong, bro. Come on, try again.
Pound of stone. So it's not pound of cotton, it's not pound of stone.
So think about it. Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
Both the same.
That's it, my G. How many feet in an inch?
How many feet in an inch? Or rather, how many inches in a feet? I don't know, is it 30 inches in a foot? No, it's, I don't know, I'm from South Africa, we work in metric. You got me on this one, 12 inches in a foot, is it? I don't fucking know, man. You stitched me up with this one.